In this video, I will show how to draw block arrow in Microsoft Word. So insert, then shape, and here the section for arrow. So right, and there are some more options. And once you double click on it, Control C, Control V, so you can change any angle for any arrow. Like you rotate your arrow for any direction. Once you click on this yellow dot, so you can make more changes, style and thickness. To change color in the shape fill, select your required color. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and you can change angle for your arrow. U-turn arrow. So thanks for watching.